to. See the molding along the doors? That will have to go. And I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Look at the molding. And since it's only stuck on with double-sided tape and it's already coming apart from the body, I'm just going to take it off, clean off the residue, and that'll be that. So let's get started. Piece of the molding off here, up to here. And let me show you how I did it. Simple. I'm going to grab a corner. It's already coming apart. Get in there and I'm going to gently pull it away. And since the glue is already coming apart, because this is almost a 17-year-old car, it shouldn't damage the body or the paint. Another way of doing it is using some dental floss or some piano wire. Put in there and saw it and go through the glue that way. But for me, I'm going to try to pull it and separate it from the body. So I'm going to get this one off the back door on. And this is the final result. As you can see, I think it looks good without the trimming. I did one side. I'll probably do the other side tomorrow. But I think it turned out pretty good. More videos to come, including my exhaust video. Until next time, I'll see you.